Nagaland Chief Minister Shri T.R. Zeliang made a strong plea for peace in the state even as he inaugurated the Nagaland chapter of World Tourism Day on the 27th of September with the motto, 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities. Taking up the case of peace in Sikkim, which has boosted tourism in the state, he urged the Nagas to maintain peace.
Peace is the most requisite for tourist promotion.
Nagaland celebrated the day with long lineup of traditional colorful dances at the Deputy Commissioner's new office complex at Peren. The state has been attracting lakhs of tourists since the past few years during its 10-day-long Hornbill Festival held from the 1st of December annually, but the state government wants to make the inflow of tourists year-long and not restricted to the Hornbill Festival alone. Bakrid was celebrated in the northeast too with great devotion, joy and prayers in mosques across the region. Alms were given to the poor and people took the occasion to give gifts and donations, as it is believed that the Almighty is pleased when humankind shows love and fraternity towards fellow human beings. Owing to law and order situation in the northeast, the prayers in the mosques included wishes for an end to violence and maintenance of peace and harmony in the land among people.
हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि सब लोग एक जैसे होकर जिएं, जैसे कि एक माँ बाप के बेटे होते हैं कि एक घर में अगर सब लोग लड़ाई करेंगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा। तो खाना जंगी जो है हम लोग के अंदर से निकल जाए और हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि हम लोग भाई भाई बनकर एक माँ बाप के बेटे जैसे रहते हैं वैसे ही हम लोग रहें। और ये पैगाम हम ये आशा करते हैं, ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि लोगों तक इसका जो है असर अच्छा जाए, कि लोग इसको समझें कि दुनिया में जो है दंगा फसाद करने से कुछ नहीं होता।
Cricket in Tripura is tipped to get a huge boost as former India captain Sourav Ganguly recently announced that he would train the junior teams of under-16 and under-19 categories from the state. Ganguly said this in a glittering function thronged by hundreds of cricket lovers and fans, besides Chief Minister Shri Manik Sarkar and State Sports Minister Shri Shahid Chaudhary, who had come to felicitate him. The function was the annual award ceremony of the Tripura Cricket Association or TCA, which witnessed Ganguly, Chief Minister Sarkar and Sports Minister Chaudhary giving away prizes and gifts to promising cricketers and workers of TCA. Ganguly urged the players to give their best to the game, as only a superlative performance can catapult them to fame.
ভালো প্লেয়ার তৈরি হওয়ার মূল কারণ কিন্তু তোমরা নিজে। তোমরা পরিকাঠামোটাকে কতটা ব্যবহার করবে, কতটা তোমরা চাইবে, কতটা চেষ্টা করবে ভালো খেলোয়াড় হবার, সেটাই ডিসাইড করবে তোমরা 1 বছর 2 বছর 5 বছর বাদে নিজের খেলাকে এবং তার সাথে রাজ্যের খেলাকে কতটা এগিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে পারো।
State Sports Minister Chaudhary regretted that the central government had reduced the grant for development of sports infrastructure under the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan scheme from 100% to 50%.
দেশের সরকার থেকে চিঠি পেয়েছি, এতদিন যাবত খেলাধুলা পরিচালনা করার জন্য আমরা 100% গ্র্যান্ট আমরা পেতাম। বিশেষ করে পাইকা বর্তমানে যার নাম আরজিকে হয়েছে, রাজীব গান্ধী খেল অভিযান। কদিন আগে চিঠি দিয়ে আমাদেরকে জানিয়েছে যে এখন থেকে 10% আমরা পাবো না, এটা সম্ভবত সব রাজ্যগুলোর জন্যই 50-50 করে দিয়েছে। আমাদের মতো ছোট্ট যে রাজ্যগুলো, বিশেষ করে উত্তর পূর্বাঞ্চলের বিশেষ ক্যাটাগরির যে স্টেটগুলো আছে, এই স্টেটগুলোর পক্ষে 50% শেয়ার রাজ্য সরকারের পক্ষ থেকে দিয়ে গ্রাসরুট লেভেলে খেলাধুলা সংগঠিত করা খুবই অসুবিধা।
The search for Miss Dimapur 2015, which was the 25th year or silver jubilee of the pageant in Dimapur, took place in a glittering and very enjoyable event at DDSC Stadium on the 25th of September. Organized by the ethnic group of Nagaland, the event started with an all-man traditional dance with spears and shields, with contestants wearing either black or red Western dresses walking in, contrasting the traditional face of Nagaland with the modern. A ramp walk by little children which followed made the entire audience swoon in delight at the sight of cute little Naga children in fineries blowing kisses to the crowds. Eternal songsters Moa and Erengla Subong were a delight to watch and hear as usual. Thereafter started the actual cutthroat contests between the smiling beauties wearing beautiful flowing gowns, some shimmering, some in sheer fabric. The results started with the usual winners of Miss Perfect, Miss Photogenic, etc. as per the norms of all international beauty pageants. Finally, the winners were declared. 18-year-old Miss Zehovire Avi Kechu, a student of St. John College, emerged winner with Jenny and Nuhulu as first and second runners-up. Winner Avi believes in giving emotional support to persons living with HIV/AIDS.
The most important thing we can do for people who are infected with HIV/AIDS is that the first thing we should do is to give them emotional support.
Fishery is a profession which has immense scope in the Northeast. Despite having many water bodies, our states are still not able to meet the huge demands for fish in the market, and hence there is scope for earning here. Many state governments also reward fishermen showing good produce. Our report.
Outstanding fish farmers and fisheries officers of Manipur were rewarded during the celebration of the 15th Fish Farmers' Day at the Directorate of Fisheries, Lamphel-Pat in Imphal. The farmers were rewarded as per the results of the annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition held at Mapal Kanjebung in Imphal on the eve of Ningol Chakoba festival last year. A total of 75,000 kilos of fish were sold at the fair. Ningthojam Kumar Singh from Bishnupur, the winner, received Rs 60,000 for having produced 15 kilos and 640 grams of fish last year. The first and second runners-up received Rs 40,000 and Rs 30,000 respectively. Khangembam Tiken Mete of Bishnupur district, adjudged the best indigenous fish producer, got Rs 15,000. He had produced 2,875 kilos of Pengba fish, the state fish of Manipur.
Puthokpudi puthokningi hena puthokningi adaida masaki adaidi sagi sangiba magi kaino mayamse adaidi maji amna nagan ba am siganba potnina khitang akhoida khitang kaino tawedo mayamgi phanaba akhoi yumda ga adaidi kaino daga yonbadadi farm area da yonbadadi 800 ta yoleba ado ma kaino da mela gi on yenga mayamgi yengeraga 650
It is pertinent to note here that state fisheries departments and fisheries colleges in the Northeast are trying hard to encourage people to take up fisheries and bridge the gap between demand and supply of fish. Till date, despite having large water bodies and huge demand for fish, Northeast states have to import fish due to short supply. In Manipur, the Inland Fisheries Training Center of Imphal takes in 40 students per year for fisheries course of 1 year duration. Students from any state of the Northeast who has passed 10+2 with biology and is over 18 years of age can join here to get scientific knowledge about the profession.